Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, on this Tuesday, we're not seeing that much in the way of rain yet, but the day isn't over yet, and we still have enough low-level moisture hanging around and some old outflow boundaries still out there that could spark more showers as we get into the afternoon. Now, we're not seeing much on the radar right now. We've seen a lot of activity north of us and west of us, and we're trying to see a little bit of shower activity now starting to pop here just a little bit west of Litchfield and up north of the Litchfield areas where you saw some rain earlier this morning, but that has since moved away. But that big complex of thunderstorms will throw out these invisible boundaries that will head south, and with enough daytime heating, those boundaries can trigger more shower and thunderstorm activity. So we're going to leave in that chance of rain, even though we're not seeing a whole lot on the radar right now. We're at 85 degrees as we check more rainfall amounts. Nothing here in the Bowling Green area, but off north of us, as mentioned, E-Town figured in 0.04 of an inch of rain. Hardinsburg at 0.17. In Litchfield, where you didn't pick up anything there at the Mesonet site, it was mainly north of you in the northern part of Grayson County up around the Rough River Lake. They picked up a little bit of shower activity there. And because of the clouds and the rain from this morning, we're seeing upper 70s. Hardinsburg at 78, E-Town at 79. Then you start to see mid-80s as you head further south as far as temperatures, and the dew points are still up there. In fact, the real-time numbers just updating in the low 70s across southern Kentucky. And right now we're seeing mainly a mix of clouds and sunshine as we look down Scottsville Road at this hour, and we could see more clouds coming in as any kind of a thunderstorms start to develop. 85 feels like 91, and a breezy southwest wind at 13 miles an hour. We check a few weather cams on our AAA network. Edmonton is coming in at 84 this morning with a mix of sun and clouds there. Over in Franklin, 85 degrees. In Simpson County, Munfordville is seeing a partly cloudy sky at 82. Glasgow is at 84 and mostly sunny now, and it looks like mid-80s is going to be pretty typically what we see for the rest of the afternoon. Cooler 60s and 70s off to the north of us as that frontal boundary is trying to make its way further south, and as it does, it's been sparking a lot of showers and thunderstorms, but you see that a lot of those have dissipated as it's running over already spent atmosphere, and by that we mean previous thunderstorms have pretty much wrung out the atmosphere for now, and a big complex of thunderstorms just outside of Little Rock, but there may be more developing showers as we get into the afternoon and evening hours right over southern Kentucky. The reason why: available moisture and that frontal boundary that's pushing southward. Anybody, anytime for the rest of the afternoon could pick up a shower or thunderstorm. Then as the front comes on through late tonight, early tomorrow, there still may be a leftover shower or two tomorrow afternoon with a little bit of daytime heating. Pretty typical stuff for this time of the year. Late day, afternoon, early evening type thunderstorms with the heat of the day as they build up and then fall apart once we get past sunset. That's pretty typically what you're going to see for the next couple of days. 85, and we may get a lot warmer than that this afternoon depending on how much sunshine we get, but we're going to leave in that chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Then 69 tonight with a chance of a shower early on especially, and then the next few days just a 20 to 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Then it's going to be hot and humid in the low 90s the next few days as we get ready for balloons, tunes, and barbecue. But a better cold front is coming in for Saturday. We increase the chance of rain to 50%. The clouds and the showers will bring down the temperature, and then we're looking at Sunday and Monday. Things will cool down into the low 80s with a little less humidity as we get on into the weekend. We are back with more Midday Live in just a minute.